Step back.
Step back.
Get low.
Get low.
Aim. Arch your back.
Are you sure this is the right way?
Mm-hmm. And shoot. How'd you miss all them balls? Should have hit at least one. We'll try it again.
I don't want to play anymore.
Good evening, everyone. I'm here on the movie premiere night for May 14th, 2022 for the movie 3 to 11, a Summer Angel production. I am here with the writer, director, producer of the movie, and actress, Miss Summer Angel herself. Good evening. How are you?
Fabulous.
Wonderful. You look fabulous.
I just whipped this on and just put it on.
It's just that easy for you, huh? Thank you so much for always delivering such good quality movies to the community, to the Jamaican community, to people all around the world who watch and view you. This particular movie, it hasn't come out yet for the public to see. What would you like all of your fans to know concerning this movie?
Concerning the movie, as a matter of fact, I never thanked the fans for coming out for the very first premiere at the Upper Darby Movie Theater. We had a beautiful turnout. Seats were filled. We had the biggest theater. We had the biggest premiere, and I'm thankful for all the cast, for, all of us working together to pulling that off. That being said, ask me that question one more time because my head got so big.
I was just asking, what would you like the people to know who haven't been able to watch the movie yet?
Well, I would like them to know the reason why I wrote this movie is because I worked in the nursing field, and I was also I owned a home care agency where I send people out to people's homes and so forth. And I started off in dietary because I had my culinary arts degree. I worked upstairs to become a CNA where I helped the people on the floor, and I built bonds with people, and I fell in love with the elderly, especially on the dementia floor. I love that floor. And the 3 to 11 shift was my shift. So that's the reason why I wrote it. All the residents loved me. The family members loved me because I took good care of their parents or their loved ones. And I needed to highlight that because I said, you know what? Everyone's writing about robbing and weed and drugs and sex. Why not write something different? A lot of people will say, Summer, you don't know if you're right because you need to write about relationship and people that cheat and this and that. No, I'm writing about situation that everyone can live. Every household have a family member that's suffering from the stuff that I write. I write about rape, child abuse, stuff that matters, not just about drugs. And I just want people to come out and support or watch this show when I upload it. It's going to be up very, very soon. I want them to just share it, like it, leave comments, and just go subscribe to my channel and check out all my movies, Summer Angel Production on YouTube and also on Instagram. And thank you so much for all the followers. I have hundreds and thousands of followers, and I really appreciate everyone for sharing all my stuff. Really do.
I am so excited for this movie to upload because
I'm excited too.
Yes, I mean your productions are so inspiring to people out there because, like you were saying, you deliver such unique topics that you write about. People do not think about these things in their everyday lives, and when you always bring these unique things, especially to our community, it really opens up the minds of people to let them be aware. So this movie is about dementia awareness, and as you were explaining about your previous experience with it, a lot of us didn't know. Me myself, I had no idea all of the things that dementia entail. I've heard the term many times, but me not being in the healthcare field, I had no clue about it. So thank you so much for just bringing that out there and that topic and just addressing it. Because as you said, many people do have family members that go through this issue.
They do, yeah.
With that being said, is there any type of resources that people can go and look at to research this topic more?
3 to 11, because it's very informative. But just look up dementia. Dementia has so many connections because it's also Alzheimer. It's also sundown syndrome. We talk about all those topics in the project, and we show you how slowly people just, become that person with dementia. Because you can just watch your family and they just keep saying the same thing over and over. Oh, where's my purse? Where's my purse? Where's my purse? Those are signs, things like that, and just keep forgetting and so forth. So I think if you want to know about dementia, just look it up. It's online. It's open to the public. Google it. But also just share 3 to 11, and you can learn because it's informative.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And matter of fact, you did a very good job too. You're
thank
part
you.
of the movie yourself.
Yeah.
Did a very good job. Yeah.
Thank you for having me in it. I really appreciate my role. I did. I did. So thank you so much for considering me for that. Thank you. Is there anything else you would like for us to know, like any other projects you have coming up or any events that we should be looking out for?
Any projects? I have a few movies coming up, but when you're in the community doing movies, they'll say we're shooting next week, and next week never comes. So I have a few projects coming up intertwined with Zim Production. I'm supposed to be playing a gangster. I'm writing a movie called Pandemic at the moment, and I'm also writing another movie. I've been working on it. Nobody knows about, but when I'm finished, T, I'm gonna call everybody. Guess what I did? But I'm working on Pandemic, the movie. It's another dark comedy. Like 3 to 11 is my first dark comedy. I did Living is Hard. Living is Hard was, like I said, the first Jamaican movie ever to be uploaded on YouTube. And it had a slight comedy because Bob Marley's best friend, Cat Marley, was doing that comedian stuff. But this is my first written dark comedy, and I'm very proud of it. I'm very proud because all the cast members... Huh?
You didn't know it was going to be a dark comedy.
When
It
I...
wasn't even supposed to be a dark comedy.
Oh my God! But Tia, when I told you, remember we was editing, and I said, Tia, you guys, this is gonna be big. I kept saying it, even when I said I'm gonna do the premiere. We shot the movie in, if we count in hours, probably a week or a week and a half, if you count all the hours in a day. And we shot it in December. We premiered it in February. And everything, and I told you, when I said to Tia and the rest of the cast members that the people are buying these tickets like crazy. We kept having to get a bigger theater. Tia, we need a bigger theater. It's 200 already. Oh my, okay.
Superman, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, we took Spider-Man theater, and it was out of control. And the people came early at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. They were just pouring in, and the movie starts at 6:30. And like I said, I saw, it was amazing. It was amazing. And the only reason why we're doing this part right now, the interviews, because the camera guy just forgot the microphone. So I said, let's just do something small and just get a couple of interviews. So we're just going to merge the premiere we did before with this one and just put it all up. So everyone will see their past interviews and the new interviews.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. But thank you so much, Miss Summer Angel, for everything that you're doing out there. Where can the people go to find you and your movies?
Summer Angel Production on YouTube. I'm on Facebook. I have several pages on Facebook, but I don't go on it often. But I'm Summer Angel on Facebook. And I'm mainly on Instagram at the moment. Summer Angel Production on Instagram. I have several pages too, but the one with the most followings is the one I'm on. Yeah, Summer Angel Production on Instagram. And also summerangel28@gmail.com. They can inbox me or email me if they need any, information about my projects.
All right, guys, you heard it from her mouth originally, as she is once again our producer, our writer, our director, our main star in the movie. So she is doing a lot of amazing things with this 3 to 11 movie and also with other movies that she has out there. Please check her out, Summer Angel Productions. Thank you so much.
You know what, too? Let me just say all the movies so they can at least go log on and watch them.
Yes, let us follow you and watch you. We love you.
Well, I have a movie called In God I Trust. It's a gospel movie. I play a Christian woman. I have another gospel movie called The Truth About Tom. I have another movie called Sticky Situation Part 1, 2, and 3. We got Living is Hard, Ignorance, where I play an ignorant woman. And Jesus, it's so many. Tears of My Joy, which I play along Tanta Dickey from Hollywood. And another movie called Family Secret Soap Opera, and the list goes on. But if you look up Summer Angel on Google, it will just drive you to all my information. And just check out Summer Angel Production. Have no fear, Summer Angel was here.
When you see people talking about you, don't worry. It means you are at the top. When you become the top, you become the topic. When you are the head, you become the headlines. So don't worry about what people are saying.
Night nurse, only you alone can quench this your thirst. My night nurse, oh gosh, oh the pain is getting worse. I don't wanna.
Massive, it's that time again. It's movie time. Yes, this movie is called 3 to 11, written and directed by Summer Angel. It's a Summer Angel and Zim production. It's a short film that focuses on dementia. Summer Angel believes that this film will open your eyes to see how most of our elderly people are treated when they can't care for themselves, and also how they treat the workers that helps them.
We in the theater. This is where we're going to be at. February 5th, the premiere of the movie 3 to 11, written and directed by Summer Angel, filmed by yours truly, Zim Productions. We need you here. Come here and watch a great production we put together.
This is your girl Summer Angel, and this is for the people who's attending Saturday's show, 3 to 11 movie premiere at the Movie Studio Grill. It will be Keith from the Block who will be hosting the show, and also Seth's Video will be video the show, and the DJ is DJ Shot.
Hey, this is your girl Macka Diamond, and catch me in a brand new movie by Zim Production and Summer Angel Production called 3 to 11, coming out soon. Come catch me, my bad self, my hot self. You know, so I'm an actress, you know, so you don't know it. Go catch me in this one.
Chicks the king and endorse this. Give me the weed, put ganja weed, want to burn it down. 3 to 11. See? Girl, talk up in about tea and wine. When you saw them earthy on them, girl, can any man the wall, you can. Girl, real love.
Nobody hyper than Blacker, representing for the big movie, February the 5th. Next year, people, 2022, title 3 to 11, with my sister Macka Diamond in there, showing off her acting career. And you don't know, starring the girl called Summer Angel. Everybody knows Summer Angel will come for a movie thing, and she had a star girl with the Jamaican movie. Then people, Mr. Martin, come out, come support the one, the movie named 3 to 11. Remember, next year, the 5th of February, 2022, the big movie. Check it out. Endorsed by who? Nobody hyper than Blacker.
Check him.
I need $15,000.
His assets is worth over $350,000.
You have paperwork to back that up?
Hey, what's up? It's Keith from Up the Block. I'm right here, Studio Movie Grill in Upper Darby. Why? Because it is the world premiere of the movie 3 to 11, written and produced and directed by the one and only Summer Angel. Let's see what the people have to say.
Hello world, it's Sarah Tejiosho here, and I'm here with the movie premiere on May 14, 2022 for the movie 3 to 11, a Summer Angel production. Tonight we're going to be interviewing cast and crew members, and I am so excited because the movie is absolutely going to be awesome.
It's a good movie. It's a dark comedy. It's my first dark comedy, and I'm very proud of the cast overall because when I put it together, I inboxed the crew and I said, listen, you guys did an awesome job. And when they came out, they said, Summer, we sure did. And they're happy, and the viewers loved it. So I know 3 to 11 is going to be a banger, another banger.
So 3 to 11, you wrote it, you produced
you
directed it, and you did everything.
Yeah, I'm play the lead actress in it.
And the lead actress.
Yeah,
Wow.
I also have a very famous dancehall artist called Macka Diamond.
Okay.
She plays Kim.
Okay.
In that project, I got A Legend. She's a designer in Philadelphia that's doing a lot of stuff.
Oh, okay.
I got Wet Kitty.
Okay.
She's her own brand. A whole bunch of people in there. That's just their own brand, you know.
Is there a trailer?
It is a trailer. They can watch the trailer now on YouTube, or they can even go on my Instagram page, Summer Angel Production. So
Summer Angel Production, Instagram. Okay.
And Summer Angel Production also on YouTube. They can watch it there.
Okay, great. So you guys can see that there on YouTube and on Instagram.
Instagram, yeah.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
3 to 11. Let's go. Another big premiere. Let's go. Congratulations.
So proud of you, big sis. 3 to 11. Let's go. Here we go. And we ready for the show.
Is to build something up, but y'all doing it right now. All of y'all, even her, and I love her. I'm gonna get a chicken finger after this. All right, so when I bring her up, I want everybody taping, right? This woman I'm about to bring up right now has produced 15 films on her own. I don't know if you ever made one little short video, but to do a full feature film is hard. It don't even matter if it's bad or good. With the sound, with the director, with the actors, the money, the time you gotta put into that. A woman? A Jamaican woman doing 15 films is a big accomplishment. Not only that, she's the first Jamaican woman to upload a full feature to YouTube. And tonight, the first Jamaican woman to have a movie premiere this big. When I say her name, get y'all cameras out. Y'all better make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. The CEO, the founder of Summer Angel Productions. All right? Writer, director, producer, and damn, she looks fabulous. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Summer Angel, y'all.
Meow, it is me. Have no fear. Summer Angel is here. Thank you guys so much. But that being said, I started writing because they own my name, Summer Angel. I can't do no more work under that name. So that's why I actually wrote my life story called Living is Hard. Living is Hard was also, like he said, the first Jamaican movie ever to upload on the YouTube platform. The full Jamaican movie, actually. And I'm just happy to be here amongst all the Philadelphian people, just watching something I put together in 1 week on a big screen here. It's about dementia, and I've worked in the field with people with dementia, and I thought it's a subject that a lot of people don't actually talk about. And everyone in this room can say, one of my family, a friend or a close friend of mine have dementia. And it's something I just wanted to write about. I didn't want it to be too sad like I did with Sticky Situation. And I want people to just have a little laugh at the situation while they learn. We tutor them about it, and also just enjoy themselves. This is something different that I've done. This is the first dark comedy. I'm not a great comedian like Keith from the Block, but I tried. Thank you guys so much for coming, and please look out for Sticky Situation new season. Thank you guys for the 1 million views on the first episode of Sticky Situation. Now we're going on 210,000 views in 2 months on the ending of Sticky Situation. And look out for the Truth About Tom. I'm in Ignorance. In God I Trust. Somewhere in Baltimore. I'm in a Family Secret Soap in Nollywood. I'm doing a lot of stuff that you actually don't know about, but I'm actually working. And thank you so much. It's a blessing, and I feel like actually crying just to see everyone here, because they said, why is some angel doing a movie premiere? She don't go nowhere. Nobody, they forgot about her, but look at you guys. Look at you guys. Look at you guys here today supporting me. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for coming. I appreciate everything. Thank you. Yes.
Okay, so right now, are they coming up or are they just standing up where they are?
Stay where they are.
Okay, so just stay where you are. I'm just going to announce the cast real quick from the back one more time, man. Give it up for the blessing that is Summer Angel, y'all. Please, let her hear it, y'all. Let her hear it. All right, so I'm gonna announce the cast.
I'm so sorry. We have a big movie star in the building. This is Nakia Dellard.
Yes.
Big up yourself, Nakia Dellard. He's in a lot of, you know Nakia. He's in a lot of movies, Black Lightning, The Wire. The list goes on of that stuff that he's in. And also, we have another big, Rick Watson is here. Rick Watson. If you know Tyler Perry, oh, there goes Rick Watson. He works with Tyler Perry and everything. So listen, it's a lot of opportunities. Look who's here. Have no fear, Summer Angel is here.
Y'all can see, Rick Watson, Nakia. Nakia's on the Wonder Years on ABC right now, playing like, you know what I mean, playing Lucius on the Wonder Years. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly announce the cast. I want y'all to show them your love, and also cast, just stand up where you are if you are in the building. You know what I mean? And just wave real quick because I want to keep this going. First up is producer, director, but in this movie he's acting. This is his third movie with Summer Angel. Jonathan Zimmerman, Zim Productions is cop number 2. Give it up for him real quick. Okay, Dawn Devlin as an events client. This is Dawn's second movie with Summer. Dawn, where you at? Dawn, if you're in the building, stand up and give us a little wave or something. Somebody give some love to Dawn. All right? Valerie Johnson plays an EMT. This is Valerie's second movie with Summer Angel. Valerie, look at Valerie in the red looking like Suge Knight. If he got his suit from Farmer Mills. Just kidding. Just kidding, Bobby. Sarah Boydley Tehezu as an EMT. Sarah, where are you at? Give it up for us, Sarah. Looking very lovely over there. Sarah's second movie with Summer Angel. Keyshawn Starn as a bartender. This is Keyshawn's first movie. Keyshawn, stand up. Where are you at? First movie, congratulations to you. Andre Payne is owner of Home Care Agency. This is Andre's first movie. Andre, where you at? Stand up and give it up for Andre's first movie, y'all. Give it up for him. First premiere. Ridiculous. Dallas Howard as owner of a home care agency. Dallas Norwood. Ladies, where's Dallas Norwood? Stand up. That's Dallas Norwood. Give it up for Dallas Norwood, making sure the world know her name. Jaway is the owner of a home care nursing agency. Jaway, where are you? Give it up for Jaway one time. Listen, man, y'all not showing that this is a movie premiere, y'all. It's a movie premiere. Give him some love. Remington Steele is cop number 1. This is Remington's 4th movie with Summer Angel in Zim Production, and he plays a cop in each one. Where Remington Steele at? Stand up. Stand up. Yeah, he want to sit down. Give it up for the undercover cop. Every movie, he want to play a cop. That's because in real life, he telling. I'm just being serious. Watch out for Remington. He's smoking them loud around Remington. Tia Lee as Donna. Tia Lee, where you at? Tia is one of the nurses that takes care of Otis. This is her 4th movie. 3 of them with Summer Angel Productions, and the other one isn't released yet. Brian Wilson as Mike. Brian Wilson, where are you? We get into the main characters. Brian Wilson in the building with the powdered blue, just killing them. He was in the mirror like, they ain't gonna do the blue. Ladies and gentlemen, Macka Diamond as Kim. Macka Diamond plays one of the nurses that takes care of Otis. She works the 7 to 3 shift. She is called the Diamond of Dancehall and has 3 hit songs on the reggae charts back in the day. This is her 2nd movie but the first movie to ever release. Give it up for Macka Diamond. Macka Diamond, where you at? Stand up, Macka Diamond. You know what I mean? Dance hall legend. Give it up for Matrix as Mr. Otis. Y'all better put it together for Matrix. Where's Matrix at? Stand up. Give it up for Matrix right here. More noise, more noise, more noise, more noise, more noise for your lead actors and actresses. And ladies and gentlemen, you already met her, but you better put up your phones and give up all the love for the lead actress of this production. She's already made history as a Jamaican-born writer, director, producer, dance hall artist. Ladies and gentlemen, playing the lead role of Yvette is the one and only Summer Angel. Make some noise, y'all! All right, so we're about to start this up. Before I start this up, I would like to say this. Laughter and levity is the only way that we get through. I know that there are people out here that are struggling with something, depression, grief, anxiety, fear. We all need to laugh. That's why it's good that we came together to see a comedy today, because laughing makes you feel better. I forgot who? Oh, give it up for Doringo. Where she at? Stand up, y'all. Give it up for Doringo. I'm sorry, I forgot. Right back there. You know what I mean? In the Donna Summer, Diana Ross dress. Y'all came right. Y'all came in the stretch. Hey, y'all came. Y'all ain't see the stretch. How many the stretch when he came out? Yo, y'all was doing it. I love it. Listen, without further ado, we're going to get to 3 to 11. Just remember this. Facts. A legend who?
All right.
Hey, legend, give it up. Give it up. Give it up. I apologize. I didn't have it. I just had that first email and I was reading from it. All right, y'all. Before I go, I'm just going to say this. Facts, because everybody say facts. The kids always say facts. People think facts and truth are the same thing, and they're not. Facts are what actually happened. The truth is how you feel about what happens. Let me say that again. Facts are what actually happened. Truth is how you feel about what happens. People with dementia live their truth. So if you don't believe that what they got going on in their head is true, it doesn't matter to them, because that is their truth. I love the fact that this movie is taking a comical look and a serious look at the same time as something that plagues a lot of us, especially if we have older relatives, older parents, or we work in a care type of situation with nurses. With that said, man, you're in for a treat. Please turn your ringers off, okay? If you need to make a conversation, go out there. If the babies start crying, just take them out and walk them around a little bit while the movie is going on. And please, y'all, put your hands together for the premiere of 3 to 11. Give it up, y'all.
She's not gonna have no young, pretty thing woman hang around me all day. She ain't going for that. I'm talking about, you know, she a fighter, she a whole firecracker. You know, she come in here, see something like that, it's gonna be some furniture moving. I'm talking about smoke in the city. Yeah, she knows how to fight too. Oh, you know. She mess around and wreck their taxi.
I gotta run. I gotta go. But you know, I'm just a phone call away, right? So if you need me, give me a call. Okay? I gotta go.
Go on then.
Okay.
Go on, get out of here. You go on.
Okay.
Get going, skaters.
Okay, all right. You take care of yourself now. Okay. I'll see you. Okay.
It must be a nice cable. Darius was invented by a black man, a slave. He had his own herbs and spices, put it together. They stored the credit. You know they like to whitewash everything and keep the history from us. His name was Nathaniel Green. People that knew him personally used to call him Nearest. For over 200 years, they stole this man's invention. The family just won some recognition, a case by.
He was an engineer.
Yes, ma'am. 35 years I gave them service. Excuse me, Mom, I'll lean up right here.
Hey, what's up? It's Keith from Up the Block. I'm right here, Studio Movie Grill in Upper Darby. Why? Because it is the world premiere of the movie 3 to 11, written and produced and directed by the one and only Summer Angel. Let's see what the people have to say. All right, we're right here. Listen, I thought that I ran into some more stars in the movie, but this is just how amazing women of color come to a movie premiere. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Tania. I came all the way from New York to see such a phenomenal movie, 3 to 11. I cannot stop just understanding the consciousness that Summer Angel and her team have, understanding the magnitude of mental health. A great appreciation.
Yeah, it was. No.
Hi, I'm Olivia, and I love the movie. It's amazing.
I love it. Was almost like a love letter to CNAs and other people who deal like in that field. Why do you think people should go and see 3 to 11?
Well, unfortunately, COVID, as we're all familiar with COVID, mental health has actually hit every home. So seeing 3 to 11, you will get a greater understanding and empathize with people that's going through different challenges, whether it's family members or friends.
Well, watching the movie 3 to 11 will give you like a different outlook on mental health and what people really go through nowadays. Mental health.
All right, and I gotta say, you ladies, New York is in the building.
And Brooklyn.
Yes, Brooklyn is in the building. Thank y'all so much for coming out.
He was a phenomenal host.
Thank you. Thank you. Listen, I'm only great because Summer Angel Productions is great, and we're out here and we're doing it, and we're on the red carpet and bringing it to you.
Thank you.
Actor. This is Philadelphia's Tyler Perry, the one and only Rick Watson. How you doing, man? You're out here. No, you know the good thing is that
Summer Angel.
It's a Summer Angel production, and there's so many great people from Philly came to support because we know how hard she works.
Yes.
What do you want to tell people about 3 to 11 now?
Well, first I want to say about Summer Angel, I've been knowing this with my friend for a long time, and she has the hardest. She worked harder than me. Don't nobody outwork Rick Watson, but Summer Angel does. But what I want to say about 3 to 11, what really encouraged me about it, it's a story that hasn't been touched, and the way that they touched it, and the way that they brought forth the greed and the dimension and everything, man, I'm just floored at the outcome of it.
It is such a great production. Before you go, I have to tell you to tell the people that you have a new stage play out. I know. Like coming out.
New stage play.
New film, new stage play. So tell us a little bit about
real quick. I'm touring. I got a new film called A Mother's Love. I'm touring all the AMC theaters, and it'll be on Amazon and a bunch of things. So look for that under Rick Watson. And our new play, Your Girlfriend Needs to Mind Her Business. It's coming back in Philly first this weekend, coming up Sunday, and at the Epical Society. Go to my website, rickwatsonproductions.com.
I mean, look him up. He's Googleable. Rick Watson. Thank you very much, brother. I know you got to go. Thank you for stopping to talk to me. All right, like I told y'all, we are right here at the 3 to 11.
And your name is?
Charm.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good evening. You look beautiful tonight.
Thank you.
Miss Charm, how did you feel about the movie?
I love it. I absolutely love it. It consists of a little bit of everything. It's comedy, it's good. But you know what takes me? The reality part of it is the dementia. I'm glad that you focus on that so much because it's real and that's what's really happening. There's one person, everybody household that's going through that, and you know, it's a highlight. It actually teaches me some things that I myself didn't even realize, you know, so it was awesome and it's gonna go places. Congratulations, and I'm gonna look for you guys. This is big. And my daughter, Mishka, you would love this. She loves it. Yes. So, I mean, you go, guys. It's awesome. The reality part is still taking me. I would love to watch it again and again and again. It's awesome.
Well, Miss Charm, keep coming out.
I am. And if it's your thing, let me just tell you, enough big ups. Enough big up. It's awesome. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Hi, my name is Sarah Tejiosho, and I'm here at the movie premiere for 3 to 11th on May 14th, 2022. And I'm here with one of the viewers, and her name is
Rosie, hairdresser Rosie.
Nice to meet you, Rosie. Okay. So, what did you think about the movie tonight, 3 to 11?
Well, I think it's awesome. And what I like about the movie is that the dementia part. Because my mom, I think she's going to go through that. And I'm her caregiver. So it teaches me a lot what to expect. Now, I feel stuff coming, but this is going to embrace me, what I need to do. So, I mean, as the other lady says, they're one in every family that's going to go through this. So we need to embrace it and learn from this. But that's the movie's awesome. So
I can agree with you. I appreciate the education that the movie gave. Is there anything else you would like to say to the people out there that did not come to the movie premiere?
Oh, please. You're missing some good experience. And I think my girlfriend is going to the top.
That's right. Thank you, Rosie. Hello, I'm here with
Aaliyah Keller.
Nice to meet you, Miss Keller. How did you like the movie 3 to 11?
It was amazing. It was, as the previous people came up and Miss Charm eloquently said, the reality of it was the best part and the humor part of it. But just the tidbits, even I like how it was incorporated about the originality of Jack Daniels being stolen and the originality of where it would come from. And, just to say that tidbit of history that we haven't known about, the movie in itself is amazing. The cast was amazing. And Mr. Otis was truly amazing. Really crazy. He kind of fit the role, but, I mean, he did a really good job. So it was really nice. It was definitely beautiful.
Yes, I can agree. I like the energy that everyone had between each other. So I'm assuming that your favorite character was Mr. Otis?
Yeah. I'm a little biased, though, because I really enjoyed the CNAs because each and every one of them displayed a different level of care. Some of them was how we are in everyday world where we're tired, we work a 9 to 5, but then we have to do other things to come back. So each and every character had a different display, but Mr. Otis was like consistent through the end. His dementia in the movie made me think of my grandma and her stages of Alzheimer's. So it was like, wow. So it was really powerful. Summer Angel, hats off to you, Queen. I look forward to seeing a lot of her stuff.
And she keeps it coming. She keeps it coming. Summer Angel Productions is doing a lot of things.
If you haven't checked her out, you guys, you got to check her out. Follow her on all social media platforms and bombard this when it comes out to mainstream. We got to support each other. So this is definitely a blessing.
Thank you so much. You guys heard it. We are here once again with another viewer for the 3 to 11 movie premiere on the 14th of May, 2022. And your name is?
My name is Gordon Johnson. I'm from Nightlife, Nightlife and PA Entertainments. I thought the movie was excellent. I was very surprised. Good job, Summer. That was a very, very good job. And I am here to make sure that I'm going to promote this movie. Okay? Like the young lady said, we need to support each other, okay? This movie was great, and it meant a lot. I really enjoyed it. So that's what I'm here for, to support Summer, and I got you back. You're my next interview. Okay, gotcha, all right? So.
What do you think about the cast members as far as each of the roles? Who was your favorite?
Well, all the women. All the women. They all did a great job. And believe me, it wouldn't have made it without those women. I loved all the characters, okay? And Otis is pretty good. Dirty old man, but I like him anyway. But yes, all the women was great. Good job, ladies. Looking forward to seeing you guys in a lot more movies. Hopefully, we'll work on that.
What do you think about the message concerning dementia and the education of it?
I'll be very honest with you. I don't know much about it. I never knew much about it. I mean, I hear about it, heard about it, okay, but I learned something today about it, and I'm gonna do a little investigation on that too. But I, just being honest, I didn't know it was that bad, and I did learn something tonight about that.
Thank you so much, Mr. Johnson.
Very welcome. Very welcome. Thank you.
We're here with another viewer tonight, and your name is?
Patricia Ray.
Good evening. Nice to meet you. What did you think about the 3 to 11 movie?
I think the 3 to 11 movie was awesome. Summer, you're amazing. And I work with a dementia client right now. So everything you see here is reality, you know, because the sundown syndrome, the chaos of being Otis did an awesome job, and Summer, I give you more respect, and you know everything here is like very exciting movie, and I think everyone should really come out and watch it, you know. So
Being as though you work in this field, and for you to say that everything seems such a reality of what is really experienced is really an eye opener for me. Just hearing you to say that because you actually work in the field. So taking that information, what would you say to the viewers out here that have not seen the movie yet, who may or may not be aware of dementia?
this is an eye opener, and I think everyone should really at least come out and not only to say see this movie, but this will be a start that they can actually, you know, get some insight of what dementia is really about, and they can actually, you know, if they happen to go through it with their loved ones, they'll know exactly, you know, what to do.
Thank you so much. The energy of the movie, it is supposed to be a dark comedy. What parts did you find to be very entertaining for you as far as in a comedic aspect?
I'm a woman, but I think like when Otis actually was really beating on the ladies, he really, you know, had me really laughing, and it was just like very amusing. So with all that, you get some humor out of it, and you're learning all as well. So yeah.
Have you ever ran into one of those issues? I mean, I know they have HIPAA policies and things like that, so you can't really discuss what your patients actually do. But have you ever ran into like that type of situation?
No, I have a client now, and actually, you know, I would put Summer on video so she can actually see what this lady does, and I could fix the house, and the next thing you know, 5 minutes later, everything is everywhere. The whole room is torn up, and she would say, I didn't do that. So, you know, they tend to really forget that they did it, you know, and they blame it on someone else. Oh, you did that, or someone came in my house and did that. So it's really, dementia is really something else.
Wow, I can tell, you know, as from the movie script or the way the characters were. I mean, there were so many people that seemed like they were frustrated. You could tell like the staff members were just frustrated. Yeah, it really was something. So I really appreciate you for being that type of person to be able to do that job, because it's not for everybody. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Good evening. I am here on the movie premiere site for 3 to 11, and I'm here with a nice viewer here. And your name is?
Talib the Poet.
Talib the Poet.
Yes.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
How you doing? I think the movie was great. I know you didn't ask me yet, but I think the movie was great. 9 to 11. I mean, I don't know. Should I just jump right in there and tell you what I like?
Go right ahead.
I mean, like the old guy with the dementia part. I mean, like the fact that the part that I really liked it about the movie was it switched from comical to like dangerous. He started hitting the lady with the crutch, and it went dangerous. And I like, whoa, this movie don't feel like a comedy no more. It's feeling kind of frightening a little bit. But then you still feel the energy, So I think it was all together. I think it was a good movie. It kept my attention. It didn't end up the way I thought it was going to end. I was disappointed, but I was happy because it didn't end up the way I thought it was going to end. So,
What you thought?
I thought it was a great movie. I love all the actors. The lawyer did a good job. Oh, the ending was great too. I thought the ending, I realistically thought that the older guy with the dementia was really like faking his dementia. He was going to turn around and just set up all the caretakers and like come out on top. I thought it was going to be something like that. But it was still great. It was great. And I advise all my friends and family to come see this movie. If you like twists and turns, this is a good twist and turn movie. It'll keep you entertained. I was entertained from the beginning to the end. I even remember the song they kept playing in the movie. Thank you, Summer Angel.
All right, you guys, you heard it from Talib the poet. Thank you so much, sir. All right, this evening I have with me
Sheena.
Hi, Sheena. Nice to meet you. So what did you think about our Summer Angel production tonight, 3 to 11?
I think the movie is very beautiful. It's wonderful.
That's great. What was your favorite scene?
My favorite scene is the part that the person that's in need, it did a very great job stating the fact that he thinks that the workers is trying to take over his life and try to kill him.
Very interesting. What do you think about the message as a whole that the movie brought out?
It's a true message that when you go to work, you don't know what you're gonna run into, how the clients is gonna treat you. So it's a very good message.
That's right. And what would you say to all of your friends that haven't seen the movie yet?
Check it out instantly.
Thank you so much for your time, Sheena. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love?
Ladies
and gentlemen, the star of the film, the one and only Matrix. Somebody make some noise for Matrix. People standing around.
She's a liar, your officer. They come up in my house without my permission. It's not just her. It's a lot of them. They're trying to take me for everything I got. I don't trust them. She's a liar, your officer.
Good evening, everybody. I'm here with one of our main cast members of the movie 3 to 11, a Summer Angel production. And I am here with today
The Dream Chaser, Matrix. Most people know me as Matrix.
Okay. Good evening tonight. You looking great.
Thank you, thank you. You look fabulous yourself.
Oh, thank you so much. Thanks for the compliment. I'm really loving your outfit on tonight. So tell me about your role in the movie. How much time did it take for you to prepare for your character?
Honestly, to be honest, not much at all. A lot of it was quite natural.
Really?
Yeah,
That's real.
I have previous acting experience. I went to Freedom Theater as a teenager. The youth empowerment program made it possible for me to get a full scholarship. So I went to Ben Franklin High. I went to Freedom Theater. I went to Settlement Music School. I went to Philadelphia. And I've been dancing for about a quarter century.
Wow, so this is what you do. Do you have any productions that are out there that the people can, follow you and watch you?
Well, they can follow me on social media on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. That's at AMLION. That's Am Lion, and then underscore space, and it's the liar, meaning DALERY. You can catch most of my dancing videos on there. When it comes down to any new projects as far as acting, only God knows, I'm blessed that Summer was gracious enough to take a chance on me and give me the opportunity to come out of retirement and shine. I've been on previous shows like Blazing Hot TV, American Street Idol, Urban Expressions, VTV, King of Philly Dance. I've done television before. It's just I didn't go as far as I was supposed to.
Well, you did an amazing job. I don't think that the character could have been played by anybody else but you, honestly.
Oh, thank you. God just dropped it in my lap because there's a lot of truth in the character. Like, my sister passed away in 2019. She died over a pill overdose. So there was a lot of realism in the character. I really do suffer with 2 really bad knees, so I do have issues walking and things of that nature. My mom was overweight and she passed away in 2020, 9 months after my sister. And she, had caretakers and caregivers and home health aides and things of that nature. So I got to see firsthand every dimension of this movie. My godmother, which was like my foster mom, she adopted me at 2, and I ended up getting back to my real mom at 8. My godmother, she was like 75 years old when she passed, and she was suffering from slight dementia herself. So I have personal experience with about everything that was in that film.
That's amazing. It like you said, it was like it fell into your lap. And it was just so natural, and you're definitely just showing it right now, explaining your story, your history of what you've been through. You're definitely letting us know, like, this character is you and you are this character.
Well, I hope I'm better than Mr. Otis was when I finally do get around that age. I hope and pray to live to be twice that age, Longevity doesn't run very well in my family, as far as I know, and I'm hoping to break generational curses.
That's right. We're going to keep speaking that into existence, right?
Power of life and death is in the tongue.
That's right. It is. I really enjoyed your character. Watching the movie and seeing it come to life, what were some things that surprised you?
How quickly everything was able to come together, how we all grouped together as a family, how supportive the cast was, how open minded people were like Summer actually like half of my script was ad lib. She actually let me go. She let me my creative freedom go, and I really appreciate that because I was able to bring a level of realism to the character that would not be able to be foreseen any other way. You know, I was able to technically be what I would picture my older self would be.
And how fun was that? Getting yourself all in the dress and.
Oh, I just honestly wish.
How did you get your part for the role?
Some people canceled and didn't do what they were supposed to do, and I got lucky. It's like winning the lottery. I got lucky. You know, I got I was a backup fill-in, and they wasn't sure if they were going to take a chance on me, and she took one, and sure enough, hit the target, hook, line, and sinker.
Where it is crazy right now in Upper Darby. Everybody's represented for Summer Angel. Oh, you, sir, come. Now, I don't know your whole name. What's your name? Is Byron, right? Yeah. Okay, in a movie, you play Mike. And you do it. Yes, the lawyer. And I don't want to give away too much about the movie because they definitely got to see it. So tell us, what was it like working on a movie 3-2-11?
What the hell is going on here? What's going on with my client?
I don't have anything to do with this, sir. I just started my shift.
All right, I am here with one of our main stars of the movie for 3-2-11, and this is our lovely
Byron Wilson, Culture B.
Thank you so much, Byron.
Crap me up.
So, I really enjoyed you in the movie. Thank you so much for giving your time, your energy, your dedication, your studying of your scripts. You did an awesome job, and I really appreciate it.
With your help. I remember you took me out and you were like, you have to learn this. So I remember that.
Well, you did, right?
Yes, I did.
Everything just resonated right with you, didn't
Yes.
You did an excellent job.
Thank you.
So shooting the scenes, that bar scene that you shot, I really enjoyed it. But to me, it looked like it was 2 different times it was shot. Is that true, or was it shot the same day?
It was shot the same day. Same day.
See, I love movies because you never know. That it was so amazing to me how movies are put together. Zim is an excellent genius at what he does.
Right.
Yes. So with all of the scenes that you were in, what would you say was the most difficult thing that you had to do?
The most difficult part of it, well, I wouldn't say there's a difficult part of it, but just to convince my POA of staying an extra week, you know what I mean, to take care of the guy with the dementia. So asking her, and she's not willing to do it because she's not being paid for it, the way she should. That was one of the parts that I'm like, okay, let's see what happened.
But your character was a lawyer, so convincing was the thing, right?
You're at it.
How do you relate to your character in real life?
Well, actually, I worked in an institution for about 10 years, and I'm a trained life skill trainer. So I encountered that kind of thing, with dementia and all of that on a regular basis. So it's something that I'm able to deal with. I can handle it. So, I have some experience in that.
Wow. So for people that are out here and they're curious to know, when they watch this interview, what would you like to tell them? What would you like them to know concerning the work that you put in the dedication that you put in for the movie? Why should they come out to see it?
Well, I mean, it's hard work. I'm telling you. There are times when we are on set and it's like all night. You start in the evening and at 2 o'clock you're looking at your watch. I'm like, oh, it's 2 o'clock? And I'm still here. You know what I mean? It's not just get up and go do it. It's hard work and dedication. You have to decide to put the time in, and that's what we did. The entire cast, we really worked hard on it, and hats off to Summer and Zim. They did a great job in terms of getting it together. Hats off to them.
One of the powerful actors in this movie. This movie has performances from powerful women, but this man right here, I'm right next to the one and only Remington Steele. So tell us, what was it like playing a cop again in a Summer Angel production in Picture 11?
Stacy got a call from the Sages. Is everything all right?
Good officer, everything is fine. I'm taking care of this elderly man, and he's a little confused. He's the one that called, and it was by mistake. I just took my eyes off of him for 1 second.
Good evening, everyone.
Help me put him on
I
a
am
stretcher.
here with another one of our cast members tonight, and I am here with the infamous Mr.
Remington Steele. Remy Steele.
That's right, Mr. Remington Remy Steele. Y'all know who we are talking about here. All right, Mr. Remington. Congratulations on your role.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed your character. Can you tell our viewers who your character was?
Yeah, I played a police officer. Y'all saw me. Police officer.
And you did a great job, I must say.
It was a short part.
So what was your favorite part about the movie?
The part where the police came and he was laughing. I like the interview scene. The interview, it was kind of funny. You know what I'm saying?
The job interview?
Yeah, the job interview. I liked it.
What do you think about the topic of the movie as a whole, as far as dementia education? What do you think about it?
It's a good movie because the thing is like this. It's very educational. You know what I'm saying? Because my mom goes through that right now. She's like up in age. She kind of forget things. So I kind of see it and I'm like, oh wow, this reminds me of the movie. I went to see her Sunday. So watching the movie again brought back a lot of, information and make you understand what's going on and prepare yourself for what's to come. I see my mom forget things and I was like, wow. She asked me about that bag 10 times. I was like, damn, Mom. Yeah, so, yeah,
Yeah, it's a real eye-opener, especially those of us with elderly parents. It makes you really think about what you're dealing with in the future ahead, and sometimes the present. Like you were saying about the bag and things like that, I kind of go through the same thing, so I definitely know what you're talking about. So as far as the comedic part of the movie, what was your favorite part other than the interview?
Well, I like Otis, I'm not saying I like him beating a woman, but I thought it was funny.
A lot of people seem to require.
I was like, wow, it's crazy. But I found it very funny. Not in a funny way, but it was funny because, I think Otis did a good job. And big up to Zim, too, the producer, because he a lot of camera, that camera shots and all that looked really good. You know what I'm saying? So we got to big up Zim, big up Summer Angel doing her thing. You know what I mean? So, all good. Big up the cast. For real. Big up yourself. Yeah, for real.
Yes, everyone did an amazing job. I can agree with you with that. Well, thank you so much for your time here. But before I let you go, do you have anything else that you're working on that you would like the public to know about?
Nah. Nah, not really. Well, for real, I am a reggae artist, and I am working on some music right now. I put it on the back burner for a little bit, but I'm about to, come back out with some stuff. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm not going to do no sample or nothing, Summer Angel. Huh? Oh, yeah, I've been in a couple other roles.
Yeah, what other films have you been in?
Well, I did Sticky Situation with Summer Angel and this movie, and I was in 2 other movies. A movie called The Good of All Evil that I did with some other people the other day. And I did a movie in New York, can't remember it. But, I went to school for mass communications in college, so I did a lot of that stuff behind the scenes.
So you're just doing a lot of...
I used to be a real cop too, by the way, so if you guys... I was a real cop in New York, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like I'm playing myself sometimes.
Well, you definitely are natural at your role. I love the way how you walk and you you do that little cop walk. I enjoy that.
Authority.
Yes, that authoritative walk. That's exactly what it is. And watching you on the camera to do that, it just really brings a presence that we don't realize.
I'm just waiting for a fight scene, you know what I'm saying, for the next movie, so I can show my skills. But she won't give me no fight scene, so let's wait for that.
Okay, so we're not going to need any stunt doubles for you.
Somebody up or something. You know?
All right. Well, thank you so much, Mr. Remington. I appreciate your presence. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now I am sitting next to director, producer, cinematographer, Zim Productions. Now, Summer Angel has done 15 films. How many of them have you kind of edited and did cinematography for? Out of 15.
About 3. Sorry to bother you, but we have to take every call that we get seriously. So you have a good day.
Good evening, everyone. I'm here at the movie premiere of 3 to 11, and it's the date of the 14th of May, 2022. I'm here with the man behind the plan. I'm with Mr. Zim with Zim Productions. How are you tonight, sir?
I'm awesome. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm just happy to be in the presence of so many great minds on tonight.
You look wonderful, and you're always great.
Thank you. So you've worked with Summer Angel multiple times. This production, what was different with this one from the other projects you two have collaborated on in the past?
The script itself, I think the movie itself, everybody can write or do a movie about, gangster stuff and violence and robbing people, but to do something that's really connected to the health, like with the dementia, and taking care of our our family, and knowing how a lot of times we don't have the ability to take care of our family, so we send them to the group homes.
Every time you put something together, you really do a great job of making her vision come to life. So I really appreciate the work that you put in with all the productions that you've done, that I've seen with Summer Angel. You two do a great job together. I think you guys work very well as a team. So for this movie, what would you say inspired like the direction as far as the scenes were concerned? Like, is that something that you guys visualized together and put together, or is that something that was from Summer herself?
Yeah, Summer had the whole vision. A few parts of it, I would interject and say, okay, maybe we can do it like this, or put this part of the story here and put it like that. Because the way it originally was, we moved it around just so that it have a little bit more suspense, a little bit more pop. So we love when we hear people say, wow, I didn't expect that. Or wow, that was amazing how that happened like that. Or I thought the ending was gonna be like this. Like, that's what we plan to do. We want to have that reaction from people. So yeah, it was more like her vision. I just was there just to interject here and there.
I thank you so much for your creativity and your work. And thank you so much for the time that you have delivered to us on tonight. Thank you.
Thank you.
Grill in Upper Darby. Right now, I have somebody else. Come on over. Oh my God! Look at the fashion. You got to do a little turn for us. Let us see what's going on here. Listen, I'm telling y'all, they're not playing with the fashion. Introduce yourself to everybody. You got to speak loud.
Hi, I'm Director Ange, and I play Amy.
All right, you play Amy. So tell us, what was it like working with Summer Angel?
It was amazing. She's a beautiful pilot.
I just got hired to this agency, and to tell you the truth, I did take a course on dementia, but I was just clicking the buttons to go to the next page just to get through it.
Oh, really?
Sorry. I'm being honest. I'm just being honest. Well, I'm here now. Tell me exactly what's this dementia thing and what can we expect?
I'm here with one of the cast members tonight, and this is our lovely Miss Dorinda. How are you tonight?
Hi, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing good. Happy to see you here.
Thank you. You look so beautiful, Sarah.
Oh, same to you, dear. Thank you. So what did you think about the movie 3 to 11?
The movie was amazing. It was exciting to be a part of the production and actually be on set and actually see and experience that. But to actually watch the movie and see the results, oh my goodness. I got so involved in it, I actually forgot I was playing in a movie. So I really enjoyed it for many reasons.
Wonderful, wonderful. So your character was a very interesting woman.
Yes, full of spirit.
Yes, she was. What did you do to tune into that character?
Honestly, a lot of people don't know I have many sides to me. So that was one Summer was actually able to pull out of me. But it was a lot of fun being that person. Like I said, in life we all come up, we all find a lot of different people. So I try to take a little from everybody, and I just brought that into the character.
I love the energy. Wow, thank you so much for giving us such good quality acting. I mean, it was just amazing. I really enjoyed your character.
I was so nervous. It was my first movie, and I was so excited to be a part of it. Like I said, Summer and Zim, they are amazing. They are coached me like a long. I didn't know what I was doing. So if it looked like I knew what I was doing, that's acting. That's fake.
Wow.
I didn't know anything.
Well, I would have never known, and I don't think any of the other viewers would have known either. I mean, you did a great job. So in the movie, what was your favorite scene?
Honestly, as I'm watching back now, it kind of switched. So Tia, honestly, is like my favorite character in the movie, and I'm gonna tell you why. She connected so well with the emotion. Like, she was like, man, I'm so tired of this. Like, when she went into that character, I was like, yes, it did it for me. So I say Tia. And then just the whole interaction of compassion that everyone had with Mr. Otis, because his character he's just like, wow, like night and day, wow. And just to be able to connect to every part of that character he played was amazing. It was really nice.
So outside of the acting that you're doing, what else do you have going on?
Well, funny that you ask. Like, I'm a chef. I'm a trained chef. So I've been cooking for over 20 years, honestly. And I've trained people. I've taught. I've had a few TV appearances in the past and had some write-ups in the newspaper. And right now I'm relaunching my brand. It's called Smalls. It's a wellness company. I'll be making delicious beverages made out of sea moss and other things, and some body care and some good, bringing a different part of me to your homes.
Okay, do you have like a social media site that people can go and check you out?
Well, actually, yes, I have several, but I'm going to direct you to it's Smalls on Instagram, and then you can find me on Dorinda Hampton on Instagram, or Talk with Dorinda. Yeah, and then you just inbox me. I'll update you with all the information. I'm actually building my website and stuff like that now. So this summer sometime, I'll have something for you guys.
Okay. Congratulations on all your projects that you have coming up. And once again, thank you so much for delivering such good quality.
Thank you, Sarah. And like I said, you look very beautiful, and you are doing an amazing job.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Thank you.
Is Donna. Yes.
Yeah.
You played Donna in this movie. So what was it like working with Summer Angel on this movie?
Amazing. She is so amazing. I mean, the way how she put together the movie.
Yeah.
It's Zim Productions.
Yes. Zim Productions. And I heard that this was done like pretty quickly.
Very well. So, and the way how she flipped everything together, there was some parts that was added and she just made it all come together was amazing.
Yeah, the thing I love
that
is that it's a comedy, but then some of the serious parts are like funny. So you're here at the premiere. Were you surprised at the laughter that you got from serious parts?
Yes, because initially I didn't think it was set out to be a funny movie like that. But with Otis.
Yeah, with Otis.
Give it to him,
with Otis,
man.
Matrix. Yes, Matrix did such an excellent job. And I want everybody out there to see 3 to 11 by Summer Angel and support. What else do you have going on?
Well, I'm in Truth About Time, the previous movie that she did, a movie that she did last year. care of as well. Like I said, she put some serious, subjects together as well, making it make sense.
Yes.
About reality.
No, that's what I love. This is one of the first I've seen other Summer Angel productions. This is a dark comedy. You guys got to see it. And you play. I don't even want to give away too much. This movie definitely has like twists and turns.
Yes.
So I appreciate you. You did a wonderful job, in the film, and I look forward to more that you have going on. Make sure y'all check out Tia, WetKitty.love, y'all.
That's right.
In the building.
Right. Yes.
Job like this don't come easy, and family members, they don't take care of their loved ones, and they act like they want us to work miracles, But it's the nature of the business that we're in. That's the nature of the job, It pays our bills.
Right. Sarah Teggio Show here again with another Summer Angel production, 3 to 11. You guys need to check it out. I'm here with one of our cast members, and this is Miss
Tia Lamy, also known as WetKitty.love.
That's right, Miss Tia Landry. WetKitty.love. You guys need to check her out. That's WetKitty.love once again. And Miss Tia, thank you so much for coming out tonight. All of the fans are really appreciating your presence being here.
Yes. It's awesome. Thank you. The movie was great. We had a previous premiere before. That was our first time watching it. This is our second time actually seeing it again. And me playing the character as Donna, it was rewarding because then I was able to see the characteristics of what a CNA worker does and how hard it is for CNA workers as well in that role. Not only that, I like the character of Otis. Otis was funny. The whole movie was funny. Throughout the whole movie it was. So everything about it was awesome.
So you said that your character is a CNA. What did you do to get yourself mentally prepared to get into that role?
Oh, good question. It really and truly, it was not. Well, I had to read the script, of course. But mentally, I went off the flow really with the character Otis. That's pretty much what that was. I went off the flow with him, and then I created my own way throughout the scenes.
Perfect. So I want to ask you this. Watching the movie, the first premiere, and watching it this time, did you feel like you were watching a different movie, or did it feel the same to you?
Oh, that's a very good question. I want to say it was the same. It was the same vibes that I was getting from it. The production was still good. Everything was still on point. With one thing about Summer though, I was watching to see if she added something in the movie or took something away, just because I know that that's what she does. Okay, yeah. So that's what I was wondering, and but everything still flowed. Everything looks good.
Seeing your script and the acting that you did, how did you feel when it was combined with everyone else's work and you saw the movie come to life?
In terms of the other CNA workers, or just overall everybody's characteristics. I mean, everybody did a good job. They played their role according to what they were supposed to do. They stuck by the script, but everybody did ad-lib, do whatever they needed to do to make it make sense and to add to their own personal characteristics as well, their own way along. Yeah.
You did an excellent job as always, and I hope to see you many more times on the big screen. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was awesome. Thank you.
And I want to let you know, as a host doing it, you know what I did? I walked around every other theater. I would like to let the world know that on a Saturday night during a week where 4 or 5 Hollywood films came out, a Jamaican woman with the Independent had the highest grossing movie here at this theater. And that's serious. Theater packed out. I mean, I'm a Jackass fan. Jackass 4 was playing. There was like 6 people there. The other movies, 3 people. Summer Angels 3 to 11, 200, 300 people, y'all. So that's how we do it. Congratulations to you. And I look forward to everything that you got.
Thank you so much. And it's a pleasure. I'm so proud of you. We finally met.
Yes.
We were supposed to meet a long time ago.
We were. We found that. And you guys all look so beautiful. You came here with the stretch limos. Everybody's dressed.
Oh yeah, we got a limo with our baby.
You know, I love
We
it.
gotta do it
That's how
the
we
right
do it. This is called Black Excellence, Jamaican Excellence. This is how we do 3 to 11. You should check it out. Written, produced, and directed
by Summer Angel. Here, Summer Angel's here. Bye.
Very serious subject matter. Why did you decide to take that road? Because you've been outside and before.
Rasta British. Cess. Yahweh. All type of artists in the house. Summer Angel. Zim Productions, the original producer. 3 to 11 movie premiere. Killer Black of the Crow. Big artist. Big artist. Can't forget the Pepper God. Big artist in the house. Pepper, big artist. How you mean? 3 to 11 prayer. Everybody come out. Place full. Good luck. And I am Remington Steele on the premiere. Yeah, signing off. It doesn't know it's a good luck.
I'm also a CNA, work 3 to 11.
Here you go, right? It was real. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, I'm standing next to one of my favorite people in the world. One and only Nakia Dillard, actor, educator. You know what I mean? You might have seen him on Black Lightning. You might have seen him on The Wire. And right now, you can check him out on ABC's Wonder Years. All right?
So now tell us the oldest thing. Matrix, let them know. Hey. Put them on there.
Tia, turn around. Tia, this is a video.
Hollywood to the head. But that's cute. Yeah, send it to me. No, you know I'll take another one.
Mr. Owen.
Oh no, he's in his back.
Yes.
Where? What? You want to run in there?
Who's that girl right there?
Tia, turn around. I want to take
Excuse me.
I'll be right back.
Driver,
He gotta go get his phone.
I left my phone in my car. Can I get out for a second?
Yeah.
Are we leaving you?
No, you can't leave him.
No, not him. I guess we're the only one.
One more time.
What?
Make sure the night go off with a bang.
Oh my, you know what? Be crazy. All right, wait, I'm gonna take your picture. Tia, turn around.
Alright, I'm gonna take another